else is in the forest. It's Catcheye Yogurt. Right. He's making the magics. Bats! Yikes! Don't be worried. Just a little. The bats are trying to come to Rocket. Let's play the flute. That's great. But that sounds like Catcheye Yogurt. He's making the he's making the magic mosquitoes. Yuck! Mosquitoes. He's making magic spiders. Yikes! He's making magic bear. Let's go. Bear. Catcheye is making all together. Bats, spiders, mosquitoes, spider, and bear. All mine. But we have to help Quincy play the instrument super fast. Let's give the magic to him. We have the feather, the firebird feather right here. He had music power now. Mosquitoes, spiders, bats, mosquitoes, spider, bats, bear. Now they're chasing Ketchup. Now we can go past this way. She's still locked in that cage. Oh my! Now, where can we go now? We can go to the Siberia. To Rocket.